Open. He opens the door for guests. Sit. She sits on the chair by the window. Stand. He stands near the door. Think. I think about my plans for the day. Find. She finds her lost pen. Smile. She smiles when she's happy. Laugh. We laugh at funny jokes. Cry. The baby cries when he's hungry. Sing. She sings beautifully. Dance. They dance at the party. Jump. He jumps in the playground. Swim. I swim in the pool on hot days. Draw. She draws a picture every day. Paint. He paints landscapes. Wash. I wash my hands before eating. Brush. She brushes her teeth every morning. Shave. He shaves his beard. Call. She calls her friend every evening. Travel. We travel during the holidays. Relax. He relaxes after work.